Good evening, friends. Myself Gautam Sharma. I will teach you now conservation of mechanical energy. So, what is conservation of mechanical energy? It means that mechanical energy of any system remain conserved. It can neither be created nor be destroyed. For example, there is an earth and an object, and when we keep an object move upward, downward, or either we can follow any path. Either this is the earth surface, and if I will move an object like this, so total energy of the system remain conserved. So this is known as conservation of mechanical energy. Okay, as we have discussed about the conservative force and potential energy, as we know that the potential energy or change in a potential energy, that is del u is equal to negative of work done by the conservative force. And also we know that the as per the this is as per the potential energy of any system. And as we know that as per work energy theorem work energy theorem change in kinetic energy is equal to work done by the conservative force. And if we get equation 1 and equation 2, and if we will add on both the equation, so what we will get? If we add on equation 1 and equation 2, what we will get? We will get del u plus del k is equal to 0. It means that u final minus u initial plus k final minus k initial will be equal to 0. Or we can say u final plus k final minus u initial minus k initial that is initial total mechanical energy at final point is equal to total mechanical energy at initial point. How? See, this equation can be written as uf plus kf is equal to ui plus ki. So it means that total mechanical energy is consist of potential energy and kinetic energy. Mechanical energy consist of potential energy plus kinetic energy. See here, potential energy and kinetic energy both. So final mechanical energy is equal to initial mechanical energy. Total final mechanical energy is equal to total initial mechanical energy. Okay, no matter what the path is, what condition is. For example, if I will talk about the experiment or an example, so see, if an object is having at a height h, if an object is being a height h, so let us consider this object has a 100 joule of potential energy. Now 100 joule of potential energy. And if I will talk about kinetic energy, so kinetic energy will be zero because object is at rest. Now when this comes down, so definitely potential energy will reduce to, suppose here potential energy is only 60 joule, so definitely it will gain some speed, so it means that kinetic energy will be 40 at this point. So potential energy will be equal to 0. so definitely kinetic energy will be equal to 100. So from this experiment we can see that it doesn't matter where it comes or downs. So total potential energy plus kinetic energy, see, total mechanical energy will always be 100. So mechanical energy will always remain conserved. Either it is in a straight line path, or we can say an object is moving like this. See here, an object is moving like this at this path. Suppose at this path there is 0, so at this path also there is some zero energy, but here it is not possible, possibility of 0. See, let us we have given some velocity u, so it has some energy like 100. So here also it will get only 100. Why? Because total mechanical energy remain conserved. Wherever it will come, either it will go here or here. So no matter what type of path it is, either it is taking from here to here, either it is taking from here to here, so total mechanical energy of any system will remain constant. If it is now 0, so here anywhere it will be 0. If it is at if I have given some velocity of a 550 meter per second, so it will gain some kinetic energy. So potential energy at this point is 0, but kinetic energy is something here. But when it reaches to this point, so its potential energy is more, but kinetic energy is 0. So basically we are talking about that all energy, all total mechanical energy of any body will remain, or any system will remain constant. Okay, any system will remain constant, and by using this concept we will able to solve the different problem. I hope you all have understood this concept. Thank you.